The Press Information Office of the ministry says the Chinese military kept close surveillance on the bomber's activities and gave it warnings. It said the U.S. has sent military vessels and aircraft to the region recently, creating tensions. It added this behavior threatens the safety of Chinese personnel and facilities on the islands. It said this is a serious military provocation and will complicate the situation in the South China Sea region. The ministry calls for a stop to this kind of activity and said China will take all measures necessary to safeguard the country's sovereignty and to maintain regional peace and stability.